Welcome to this episode of Ask the Guitar Coach. Here's our question for the day. What is your process for composing your original music compositions? Thank you very much for this question. I don't think I'm doing anything really strange with my process of composition. Before I go to a studio, I usually have like 50% of the composition already ready in my head and in my hands. I've been practicing it, which means I will have the basic riffs, I will have any kind of interludes, I will have the basic melodies, and maybe some parts of the tune here and there, like some feels that I might be specific about. So the basic structure of the tune, whatever it is that makes it recognizable, is there. The other 50%, that is a combination of variations of the melodies, the improvisations and things like that all these are improvised in studio. So I do them actually while I'm recording. I will record an improvisation, I will record a different melody, and then if I like it, we keep it. If I don't like it, we just throw it away. Now, I make a point of using as much as possible any musicians that I have with me at the studio, and use him in a good way to the best of his ability. So for example, if I have recorded some keyboard parts at home, I will definitely give them to my producer, Ioannis, who is also an amazing keyboard player, to play them again at the studio. Also, if Bob has an idea and he tells me this thing might sound good here, I will be very, very happy to listen to it and accept it. So I'm very open in collaborating with my producer and with the rest of the people that I've hired to work with me when recording one of my own compositions. So this is the method that I found that works best for me. 50% of the tune prepared before the studio, and the final 50% recorded live in the studio while the tape is rolling. So there you have it. I hope this was helpful and it's going to help you in your own recording and composing. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you at the next episode of Ask the Guitar Coach.